Hey yogis, it is me, Britt. This is your Sunny Fitness 10-minute morning yoga flow. Let's unroll our mat and we're gonna get ready to ease our way into the day. Be sure before you click out of the video to like, subscribe, and leave a comment because I'm gonna have a little prompt for you at the end. Hey Sunny Yogis, I am Britt, your yoga instructor, and let's get started with our 10-minute morning flow. So you're gonna start out sitting at the back of your mat here so that way you don't have to turn. I'm gonna start out facing you so that way you can see what I'm doing here. So let's start out in our easy seat, legs crossed. Go ahead and pull up on the fleshy bits underneath you so that you're down on your sit bones. Lift up nice and tall, squeeze through the core, roll the shoulders back, okay? You wanna feel the shoulders pull away from the ears. We're gonna go palms down on the legs, on the knees here, and you can either look down right here in front of your ankles, or you can close your eyes. We're just gonna take a couple of deep breaths here. I want you to inhale in through your nose, fully expand the lungs. And on your exhale, out through the nose, allow everything to relax in. Let's do that again. One more here. Perfect. You can open your eyes or lift your gaze back up. You want to feel your chin lift just a little bit. Keep those shoulder blades back, and you're going to turn your head to the right. And I want you just to turn as far as you can. You don't want to strain anything, but you're trying to line up your chin with the right shoulder. So those shoulders are pulled back and down. Turn the head, okay? If you sleep on your side and you scrunch up into your pillow, you can get really tight through the side of the neck. So turn the head, deep breath here. Let it out. Go ahead and drop the chin down like it's gonna come down to the shoulder. Imagine your forehead could touch the shoulder. And deep breath here. Lift the chin. Slowly return to center. We're gonna go the opposite direction. So again, roll the shoulders back. Turn the head, chin goes to point at the left shoulder. Depending on your range of motion, I want you to go wherever you feel that stretch, but not a strain. Deep breath here. And we're being really gentle with our body. We just woke up. We're just starting the day. Slowly allow the chin to tuck in. Imagining the forehead meeting the shoulder. And deep breath. Slowly lift the chin up. Bring the chin back to center. And I want you to inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, drop it down toward the right shoulder. So imagine the ear can touch the shoulder. And you want to hold this left shoulder down. Don't let it scrunch up. Pull down here, okay? Inhale, up and lift. Exhale, gently allow the head to go to the left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop to the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop to the left. Perfect. From here, we're gonna bring our knees underneath us. I'm gonna turn here on my mat, so now we're all lined up on our mat. Release your toes down, plant your hands. I'm gonna turn here, okay? So, spread your fingers wide. I want you to lift the chin, big inhale. Exhale, you're gonna round through the spine, curl in the head. Inhale, lift. Allow the tailbone to lift. Exhale, round, curve the spine, tuck the tailbone in, drop the head. And back to neutral. Give yourself a little sway here, side to side. And then we're gonna keep our right leg down on the ground. Lift up the left and flex your foot like you're trying to raise the roof up. And I want you just to take a couple of small circles, like you're drawing a circle with your knee. And reverse it the other way. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. You just kind of want to feel where that tension is and release it down. Go back to neutral. Lift the other leg up, okay? Flex the foot to raise the roof, and small little circles. Perfect, reverse the other direction. And bring it back down. From here, you can keep your knees together. I have my baby here in the way, so I'm gonna take my knees wide, and we're gonna lower the chest down, walk the hands forward. So option 1, forehead comes to the mat. Option 2, lower the chest, chin down on the mat. Okay? If this doesn't feel good with the chin down, just switch it to putting the forehead down. Deep breath here. Fill the lungs up, exhale, let go of all the tension. One more round of breath. Lift the chest up, walk the hands back. We're gonna bring the knees back in, and you're gonna step your right foot forward. Lift up, take a second for balance, okay? And you're gonna slide that right foot forward, okay? Squeeze through the belly, shoulders back, nice and tall. Inhale up. Exhale, you're gonna reach down. Keep the back nice and long here. With that front toe pointed, you're gonna feel a little different sensation through the top of the leg. Pushing back through. You wanna imagine that right hip, you're pushing it straight back to the wall. Push down into that heel, and then think about lifting up through the collarbone, proud chest, chin lift. Hold here, another round of breath. Perfect, we're gonna walk the hands in, nice and slowly. And then we're just gonna switch the feet. So, right knee goes down, left foot goes out. Sometimes with balance things like this, one side feels more stable than the other. So just take a second, if you need to, you can bring blocks under your hands, or you can have a chair next to you. From here, we have that foot down, lift up through the chest, inhale up, exhale, reaching forward. Once you're there, I want you to think about pushing the hips back, okay, pushing down into that leg, and then lift up through the chest. Long line of energy from the tailbone to the top of the head, tailbone out through the foot. If this feels challenging here, even up on fingertips, you can bring blocks next to the hands to lift the floor. If you don't have blocks, you can always use books. You can use anything that will help lift the floor, give you that extra balance. One more round of breath. Slide back in. Knees underneath. We're gonna tuck the toes, Plant the hands. I want you to push the hips back. Down in our downward facing dog, lift the tailbone, press back through the chest. Deeply inhale. And very slowly, we're gonna take tiny little steps so that the feet come to meet the hands. I'm gonna take my feet a little bit wide. Soften through the knees, drop the chest down, shake the head out, forehead goes toward the body, top of the head points at the ground. And very slowly, exhale, lifting up. Roll the shoulder blades back, open through the palms, pull down with those shoulders here. I'm gonna turn to face you. We're gonna inhale up, exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale up, exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale up, clasp your hands. And we're gonna exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, throw whatever doesn't serve you anymore behind you, roll the shoulders down. I want you to hold here in your mountain pose. We're gonna treat this like a standing Shavasana. Energizing your day. I want you to close your eyes, deep breath again. Expand the lungs, let everything fall away for your exhale. Closing breaths here. And I want you to allow your brain to only focus on what you want for today. It can be one word. It can be confidence, power. It can be just simply to have a good day. Inhale that in to bring it to you. You're gonna exhale it back out because we want to spread that joy back out into the world. Two more breaths here. Feel that power through the feet, power in the hands. That energy for a great day. Bring hands to the center of the chest. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute morning yoga sequence. I hope that you feel amazing. And down below in the comments, I want you to put down what word, what phrase you are inviting in for the day. Help inspire others, and I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the Sunny Fit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach yoga, rowing, and some kettlebell along with some body weight workouts. Plus, many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the Sunny Fit app yet, what are you waiting for? Click the description below.